Let's be honest, DJ controllers have never been as confusing as right now. We've got controllers that are standalone, that have moving jog wheels, that are battery powered, that have speakers, that have stands, that are the size of a banana, and so much more. So I'm gonna cut the crap and just let you know what is the best controller for every budget. And keep in mind that some of these controllers will be surprises, because the reality is, ddj-400s are sold out everywhere and there's a chip shortage going on affecting every DJ company. So with that said, let's get started. Starting off with the most affordable of the bunch, we've got the best controller under $150. And while the Pioneer ddj-200 used to be here, well... So right now, we've got the sole entry for this category, the Hercules DJ Control Mix. This little device is great for those who are just trying their hand at DJing and are on a budget. It connects via Bluetooth to mobile phones and tablets, which will appeal to those who are looking for portability. However, with an unusual layout, no faders and tiny jog wheels, transitioning from the DJ Control Mix to more advanced equipment may become difficult. Moving on, let's hit the next tier, the under $300 category. First off, we have one of the more anticipated controllers of the year, the Pioneer ddj Rev 1, which retails for $279. One of the first controllers to appeal to turntablists on a budget, the Rev 1 is a 2-channel controller with big jog wheels which feel great for scratching. Plus, it's got paddle effects, which I believe should be the standard for controllers. However, given that this was designed for turntablists, the placement of the tempo faders at the top may confuse some DJs. The tiny Q button as well looks like an afterthought. Next, we have the Hercules Impulse 500, another great controller still coming in at $299. Now this controller comes with RGB performance pads, sturdy build quality, pop-up stands for stability, and PL outputs, which is a big plus for me. This controller is also compatible with Serato and DJuiced. However, it only comes with Serato DJ Lite. It does however unlock DJuiced, which you can use to your heart's delight. Finally, we have the Pioneer ddj-flx 4 coming in at $299. This unit is USB-C powered, is compatible with Rekordbox DJ and Serato DJ Pro, and features all the best aspects of the ddj-400 like its club standard layout. Unlike the ddj-400 though, this unit has smart C effects and smart fader, two new innovative features which allow you to mix and transition music like a pro. On the flip side though, this unit only has RC outputs and short tempo faders, just like its predecessor. But given its size and what this unit packs, I wouldn't say that's too much of a problem. With that being said, let's now move on to the next tier, the under $1,000 category. But wait, you guys may be wondering where the heck is the ddj-400, where is the king of budget controllers? Well, the thing is, it's not here because it now costs $400, but before we get there, let me first ask you this. What's the point of having the best DJ gear if you're playing crappy sounding tracks ripped from YouTube? Well, the truth is, pro DJs don't rip tracks. They download them from DJ record pools. And you can think of DJ record pools as huge libraries of music of all genres where DJs can download all the songs they could ever need. From radio edits, to remixes, to instrumentals, to acapellas. Record pools just have everything. And the DJ record pool I subscribe to is Crate Connect, and you can get a huge discount on their services by using the coupon code DJ Carlo when you sign up on their site. Anyway, about the ddj-400, well, it's become such a fan favorite that it's actually sold out virtually everywhere. Its usability, price, and overall value for money really makes this unit the best controller you can get if you can find it at retail price. Because right now, the only place you can probably find this controller is on eBay, and you'll have to pay $400 to get one. However, the ddj-flx 4 effectively replaces the ddj-400 and is, in my opinion, the better controller of the two. And with that said, let's really move on to the $1,000 category. Starting off, we've got one of the latest Numark offerings, the NS4FX. With a sturdy build, large jog wheels with digital displays, long tempo faders, paddle effects, and 4 channels, this offering is one heck of a beast going for $549. It also has XLR outputs, a feature I personally love. However, two things may make you think twice about this unit. One being its heavy jog wheels, which will make scratching difficult, and the other being that it requires external power to function. Next is the FLX6 GT with a price of $649. It's got full-size jog wheels, innovative merge effects, and jog cutter features, as well as across-the-board compatibility with Rekordbox DJ, Serato DJ, Virtual DJ, and even Tractor. However, just like the original FLX6, this unit only features RCA outputs, which may be a letdown for professional DJs who need more quality audio outputs, especially in this price range. Now, since we're under the $1,000 category, let's talk about standalone controllers because there are two good ones worth mentioning. Going for $699, the Numark Mixstream Pro features an HD display, XLR outputs, the ability to connect to the internet for wireless music streaming, and built-in speakers. Next, we have the Denon DJ Prime Go, still retailing for $999. With a gorgeous 7-inch HD display, battery power, wireless streaming, and so much more, this may be my favorite standalone controller across the board. Since its release, this unit has gone through a couple of firmware updates, and I'm happy to say that the Prime Go is now better than ever. My previous gripes with the unit have been addressed, and it can now work with Virtual DJ. However, its physical features like its tiny jog wheels and 4 performance pads may be off-putting for some DJs. But if you value portability and usability, then the Prime Go is still one of the best controllers you can get in this price range. And with that said, let's now move on to the under $2,000 category. Kicking things off, we have Reloop's flagship beast of a controller, the Mixon 8 Pro. Running for $1,249, it's got 4 channels, RGB performance pads, compatibility with Serato DJ Pro and Algorithm DJ, a cradle for your tablet, and multiple output options. It's also the first controller to have 4 paddle effects, and the tempo faders on this unit are some of the smoothest I've ever used, even compared to CDJs and media players. Rounding things off, we have Denon DJ's latest entry, the SE Live 4, coming in at $1,299. Another standalone unit, this controller packs a punch with its gorgeous HD display, dedicated effects, compatibility with Serato DJ and Virtual DJ, and access to Amazon Music Unlimited, a first in the DJ controller landscape. Like the Mixstream Pro but better, this controller also features built-in speakers and dynamic lighting control. However, with 8 RGB performance pads, large tempo faders, and sizable jog wheels, this controller is the complete package. Next, we have the Pioneer ddj-1000 SRT. This is one of the most well-received controllers I've ever come across. With its 4 channels, RGB performance pads, built-in effects, digital displays, Magwell crossfader, big jog wheels, and beautiful build quality, I honestly can't really find any faults with the 1000 SRT. Given that it's also the closest thing you can get to an actual CDJ and DJM club setup, the 1000 SRT is still one of the best controllers you can ever buy. Now, if you're debating between the 1000 SRT or the Rev 7 or Rain 1, well, let me put it to you like this. If you enjoy using turntables and value motorized platters and premium crossfaders, then the Rev 7 or Rain 1 is for you. If not, then just stick with the ddj-1000s. If you have a budget and would like to get the most feature-packed controller under $2,000, then consider getting the Denon DJ Prime 4. This is a standalone controller that can work with Serato DJ Pro. For me, what makes this unit so impressive, besides its 10.1-inch large touchscreen display, is the fact that it can do 2 and 4 deck mixing internally. All in all, the Prime 4 is an amazing controller any DJ would be happy to get. But if you prefer Pioneer DJ gear and can spend an extra $99, then consider getting the XDJ RX3. So this unit is a standalone controller retailing for $2,099. It's natively compatible with both Rekordbox DJ and Serato DJ Pro, so you get the best of both worlds. With a 10.1-inch display, 2 mic inputs, built-in effects, RGB performance pads, and many features from the DJM900 and CDJ3000, the RX3 is hard to beat in pretty much every aspect. The only gripe I have is the eye-watering price tag, but for all those features, I'd say this one is totally worth every penny, if you can afford it.